So you guys learned about second law and third law, correct? See, what does second law state? Second law states that the force applied on an object is equal to the product of mass and acceleration, correct? So the third law was whatever force, that is every action has equal and opposite reaction, correct? So let's do a simple experiment on this. See, now every action has equal and opposite reaction. So as you can see, so this is what we call as Newton's cradle. Okay, so we have 5 steel balls and then they are connected to the wire. Okay, see here, so what we'll do, so first I'll take one ball. Okay, see it has a mass, correct? It has a mass, and then as it moves, it has an acceleration. Now what you can see here, a force is applied on the second ball, correct? The same force gets transferred. So Newton's second law can be confirmed from this. Alright? And then now coming to Newton's third law. See, Newton's third law of motion states every action has equal and opposite reaction. Right? So here what we'll do is, see, the last two, I'm taking it. See, in this case, what you should be concentrating is, see, the angle made by these two balls, the last two balls, they are the same. Correct? Angles is the same. Now both of them, they have the same mass. Now if I leave both of them simultaneously, see what happens with the experiment. See, both of them are coming and meeting and they are going in the same opposite direction, right? So every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now one more thing you need to concentrate here. That is, see, when I take these two and when I leave it, look at the ball which is at the center. It's not moving left or right. It's stationary, correct? So whatever force is acting on the ball which is at the middle, see, one force is acting this way, one more force is acting this way, right? Equal and opposite, these two will get cancelled out. That's why the ball which is at the center, that remains stationary. So this confirms Newton's third law of motion also, correct? So first law, it's nothing but inertia. So if the ball is at rest, so that's basically the inertia.
Do and show. When you're doing it again, उनको फिर से दिखा दो.
Oh,
summary दिखा रहे हो ना?
Oh, summary like that.
Yeah. Just summarize it, show it off quickly, no?
Okay, fine. Alright, so now, so 3 laws, all 3 laws. So first law is basically inertia, right? See, a mass which is, a body which is at rest tends to be at rest, correct? So, or at uniform motion. In this case, there is no uniform motion. So, a body which is at rest tends to be at rest. Okay, so first law. Second law is, so we have a mass and then if you leave this, it moves with an acceleration, correct? So, this body has a force like this, correct? So, this is Newton's second law. Alright, now coming to Newton's third law. See, in Newton's third law, what did we say? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Correct? So I take these two pit balls and then leave it. So Newton's third law of motion. So all 3 laws you can see for almost all the physical world, whatever you see, any examples, Newton's law can be easily applied. So come up with your own examples, come up with your own experiments to confirm these 3 laws. Okay?